I'm John Cohen, and this is my tech. This is the ohsnap grip, the Snap 4 Luxe. It is a phone accessory that is so vital to most people, and as they say in their advertisements, this is the phone grip that doesn't suck. Let's have a look. So let's talk about phone grips. It is probably the third most popular accessory for any smartphone, next to your case and a screen protector. And why do you want to use a grip? Well, let's be honest here, holding the phone like this all the time, or like this, or with your pinky, or like that, when you want to do a selfie, when you want to watch a video, when you want to even hold it for a phone call, it's a little annoying. So a grip is a great solution, and there are a lot of grips on the market, but you know, as ohsnap says, they are the grip that doesn't suck. Of course, we've looked at some other grips on this channel. Stuff like Pop Socket is the most popular one in the market. But I think the ohsnap is one of my favorites. And the reason why I say that is because it's super thin. As you can see, this is a thin little piece of airplane grade aluminum, and it's really easy to use. On the back there's a little sticker here with a adhesive, and all you do is line up the MagSafe on the phone. And by the way, if you're using a phone that doesn't have the MagSafe case or doesn't have MagSafe technology at all, you can still use the ohsnap grip. It just tells you to line it up in the right spot. Of course, without the MagSafe technology or the Qi technology, you're not going to be able to get wireless charging. Talking about wireless charging, another cool thing about these grips is you do not need to remove the grip to charge the phone wirelessly. Unlike some of the competitors, this one does not need to come off, which I think is a huge advantage. The ohsnap grip features an aerospace grade aluminum out here on the side, and then it has this little piece that pops open right here with magnets on either side. And this can be used as a grip, as a kickstand, plus a lot of other things. Let's go ahead and install this one on this phone right here. So all we're going to do is peel off the sticker, just like this. And by the way, you want to hold on to the piece you peel off because it's an extra sticker when you want to replace one for the other. And then all you're going to do is line it up with your actual MagSafe. If you're not using a MagSafe case, you want to practice a couple times, or go on their website. They show a great little video how to do it. But just like that, it goes ahead and it's on my case now. And when I want to use it, I just pop it open and I can stick my hand in here like that. Simple as pie. And of course it rotates, so we don't have to worry about it being in one spot or a wrong spot. It rotates very easily. And there's a spot in the middle here where you can actually stick your finger right through the hole and hold it that way, so you don't have to actually use it with two fingers. Very easy to do. With the grip on your phone, wireless charging is a breeze. We can use something like the MagSafe charger here, and we'll go ahead and we'll just put the phone, line it up, and just like that, we see that it starts charging. When you're ready to take it apart, all you're going to do is just undo it and pull it apart. The grip stays nice and firm on here. Because it's magnetic, that means you can also attach the grip onto other things that are metal or have magnetic properties. Something like a refrigerator, a door frame, a post of a building. There's tons and tons of places. So if you want to attach this to something metal and then use it as a selfie camera, for example, you can do so very easily. As I had mentioned, it also can be used as a kickstand. So not just a grip, but also a kickstand. So all you're going to do is open it up like this, hold that into the place, and then just like that, you can use your phone as a kickstand. So if you want to watch video or record video or have a FaceTime conversation, no problem, easily done. Of course, you're not limited to just doing it on the horizontal. You can also do it vertically, and it's super easy to use. And when you're done, you just pick it up, pop it in, it snaps right back into place. And it's super thin. In fact, one of the things that stands out for me is how thin it is compared to the camera bump. You can see that you don't see the grip when the camera bump is there, because the camera bump is about the same thickness as the grip. All in all, really a cool product. Of course, ohsnap lets you personalize the grip a little bit. comes in a few different colors. This is the silver one, of course, but you can go online and see what colors are available, and you can pick the one that's best suited for you. All in all, a great product from ohsnap, and I really love using the grip. It is very, very convenient when I want to take a phone call or when I want to be on the go. It is a snap to use. I will put a full description below, and you can see if it's the right product for you. This is John. Here's a couple other videos that you might like, and feel free to subscribe.